Hello, this is Dewey Maui from Hammer, Montana. This is on HaverHolidayVillage.com. And today is Saturday, October 12th, 2019. And let me handle how I'm unboxing the Microsoft Money 2007 Deluxe. Let's get started. So what you see here, you got our toolbar. A lot of those are erased letters. That's pretty cool. You have to look on your left side. We got the right side, we got with the system requirements. We have the copyright notice on here, right here. Look on the back. Improve your financial outlook for business. Getting started is easy. Go ahead and check the Microsoft.com/money on it. The bottom and the top. Here's the BAU barcode. So let's go open it up. Oh, this is run away. Here is the chance on this. I have to say it right here. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. This is the case. It's a box. Here's a DVD case on it. All your finances all in one place. Just have to see here. We got the left, right, and the back. Yeah. I'll make this. I have to open it. Hold on. We open up and show you what it looks like. Well, oh, come on. Much better. The Deluxe Microsoft Money Checks by Deluxe, which obviously you have to see it. Go to MicrosoftChecks.com on it. Look on your back. As you know, it says to install 3 months free when installing Office XP. So, here's the startup guy. Here's the start here guy. Let me show you what it looks like. This one had to buy. I don't want to have to buy your Microsoft Money 2007 Home and Business and Premium. I have to see that way. And looks like I got the big manual. Watching to learn how to install it. So that's nice. I mean, I always just didn't have to do it for now. We'll see about you see in our video. Okay, so what we got here? We got Windows XP Home Edition on your Shane's laptop. So we have to pop into this here. Maybe she should always just I just have to find out. I have to see that way. So we can always just did. And CD as supposed to it. So that is next. The disc is gonna be your bag here. This is something new. Make sure I have to put it in. Scooch. Wait for me. Alright, okay for now. I don't have a product key right now because I'm oh, you want to pause the video and get this. You don't have a Money 2007 CE key right now. Accept terms. Takes a little bit of time to install. This Money 2007 used to run Windows XP Home Edition. Used for Office 2007. Take it protective. We're getting closer. This case is used for 2007 Deluxe. To find out more, go to Microsoft.com/money. Maybe this don't have that see that way. I'm used to always just have to test this on the fly. And make sure probably just have to find and finish it all set up. At least take it on as if I have to do it. Oh, except for the box. Okay. Just gonna take a little bit longer and have to eventually have to get this final shut down. Windows XP Home Edition is easiest way after installing Money 2007 for Windows XP on official Service Pack 4 home version. Alright, it's ready to go. We're gonna click finish. Go to my program. Oh. Well, I'm going to click the application. Accept terms. Oh yeah, I like that sound. Oh, okay. Up. Next. Accept terms. Click next. Next. I'm gonna have to see halfway right now. DrewMelly74@gmail.com. Home user. Okay. Next. Yeah. I'll do that later. That problem. Have to worry, but it's okay. Oh, you got to type Drew Melly. Oh man, I have to pause the video. Hold on. Mission accomplished. Now the Money application is all set up right now. So got a lot of us tired about this program. And make sure you don't have to see it. You have to see it that ways. You go to my Windows Update. Got this right here. We're gonna hit Express Setup. Accept. Tracking your little icons. Maybe you should put it back in the case. Hold on. Okay, so I finished installed Mozilla Thunderbird and Money 2007. So this thing has to do with it to check for update information. Ooh, update 1 of 48. This now is just that way. That is next. So I can see that way. You got, and you see that's supposed to. So you got the security update for Microsoft Office viewers, Microsoft Office compatibility pack. Is there overall progress? Yeah, buddy. All I have to do is have to go to a Mozilla Thunderbird. See that? See that icon right here? I have to see that way. You have to do these programs. Checking here, you have to see it. You got unsent message, trash, sent, inbox, and drafts. That's just the experience. I also have to see have to get the chat right and quick filter. I also have to see it, and I'm using Thunderbird by Mozilla. It is up to date. It was 35 to 48 updates. Oh my lord. So there's no always just have to see that way. Don't you know it's just on the fly. This Microsoft Money 2007 Deluxe, which is something always says see it, taxes on the fly. So we got the tax help on it. It says make tax time faster all year. So that is next, huh? We got our added in 2005, added in 2006, and here's what new and improved in 2007. See? That's good, cool, huh? I being a nincompoop right now. So you're gonna got your money, and you got your home and business programs running Windows XP Professional over the internet from any other computer running Windows XP. Now, but you always see that way. We got our you always let's see that way, and you have to see right now. So I got this. I used to run Windows XP and Windows Vista. So this now is just that I have to see it, and then because you're always because fast with performance there, including applications. That's how much simple. More to use the app is best where it gets. Okay, I mean, that's it for now, and hope you see you guys soon for this video, and I hope you see you guys soon, and that is pretty much it for this Microsoft Money 2007 Deluxe, which is probably not supposed to it. So let me go ahead and end this video, and I hope you see you again soon. So, this is Dewey Maui sign off on October 12th, 2019. Goodbye.